Recently I bought a Nokia C02. It's a HMD device, and unfortunately it was locked. It was locked with a PIN code, probably Face ID, on the actual home screen, so there was nothing much I could do without having a look online to see what's available. And I came across this tool here. It's a GSM Unlock Info tool, and what you need to do is you need to download it and extract the contents onto your computer. Now I'm using a computer here which has nothing much on it at all. It's my test laptop, so I don't care if there's viruses on it. It's not going to affect the rest of the network, or it's not going to get onto the computer and mess that up, my main machine. So anyway, get your cable, your USB cable, and what you need to do is you need to boot the device into, so it's still on at the moment. I'm just going to turn this off just to show you. Actually, you can see it's on the pin, so you can put random numbers in. You're not going to get anywhere with it, so let's turn that off and take the cover off. So the cover, you should be able to get your finger into one corner to kind of pry the back cover off. So they're quite good phones in that respect, because you can get to the battery and replace the battery. Just lift that up. Right, put that back on, and it's a case of holding down certain buttons. So what you need to do is, to get into fast boot mode, you have to press the power on and the down button and hold them. And you can see it's come up now, fast boot mode. So let's connect it to the computer. You can hear the computers recognise something, and just to show you, there's a password to extract all these files, and it's the same password that you'll need to run the software. So you double click on the application, and then it's asking for the password, so I'm just going to paste that in, and that's Abdullah Ali. Okay, it's come up with something. It says connecting fast boot mode, type number, then enter. So I want to do a factory reset. This just destroys a little bit of data on the phone's memory, which allows you to then treat it like a new phone. So let's do factory reset and press enter. It says erasing user data. See that? And it's still stuck in fast boot mode there. So let's just power this back up again. Now this is the phone starting back up. And there you go. It's now like a new phone. I don't know if this particular method will work for phones that are FRP locked, but for pin lock, it certainly does work. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Bye for now.